Now here example of DEP under straight line method. Now we are using example of DEP under straight line method. What is straight line method here? The amount of DEP constant at a fixed up to the life of the asset. For example here the DEP is 10%. We are doing DEP under straight line method. How to calculate straight line method DEP? Now the cost of asset is 10,000. DEP is 10%, that is called 10,000 into 10 by 100 is 1,000 DEP per annum. For example, 5 years life of the asset. Now 10,000 cost of asset, the rate of DEP is 10%. We need to calculate what is the DEP per annum. Now here 10,000 into 10 by 100 per annum is 1,000. Again 10,000 minus 1,000, 9,000. Again same DEP is considered. Again 8,000 minus 9,000 minus 1,000, 8,000. Again same DEP is arising because we are using under straight line method. So when we are using straight line method, there is no fluctuation of DEP. It is a constant up to how many years? 5 years. So here when we are calculating the same under government grants, what is the per annum is arised. The same DEP is considered up to 4 years. Why means we are using under straight line method. Now we go, what is the working note of before going to the passing journal entries. We need to calculate what is the amount of grant on its cost, what is the residual value after minusing the cost, what is the amount of DEP per annum. Now what is this 20% of grant, total how many years? 4 years. Now we need to find out what is the per annum grant released by the government. Keep in mind once again, this 20% of grant, what the government is providing, the 20% belongs to how many years? 4 years. But we have to find out what is the grant release per annum, that is called, for example, now we go for what is the working note of DEP along with government grant. Now first calculation of grant. Now first grant equals total cost into grant rate divided by 100. Now come to question once again. What is the project cost here? 20 lakhs. Now here total cost is 20 lakhs into what is the grant released by government here? 20%. 20% on its cost. Once again, what is grant means the grant released by the government to any property or any asset or any XYZ company on the basis of some conditions. I think last class only will explain on what basis going to release the grant means the few companies they have to make an agreement with the government in case the government going to release a grant. Before grant, the company will providing few employment opportunity to whom? Related locality people or employment. They have to generate the employment in locating people. That's called general locality where they are suffering the unemployment problem. In that case, the government before going to release the grant, they have a condition. In this condition, if you are going to provide employment opportunity to whom? Public or any unemployment peoples, we are going to release either 10% or 20% on your cost. Now here the grant equals total cost into grant rate divided by 100. Now total cost how much? 20 lakhs. What is the grant rate is 20% divided by 100. Now here go for produce a 4. So 40,000 amount of grant released by the government. Keep in mind once again, total cost is 20 lakhs. The rate of grant released by how much? 20% divided by 100. So 40,000 amount of grant released by the government out of 20 lakhs. Sorry, 4 lakhs the amount of grant released by the government. Once again, the 4 lakhs amount of grant released by the government. This is the amount of grant released by the government out of 20 lakhs. We have a project cost is 20 lakhs. but the government going to release only 20% on its cost. That is called 40,000. Now we need to find out what is per annum grant released by the government. Now here, what is the estimated life of the plant? 4 years. Estimated life of the plant is 4 years. Now here, total grant divided by estimated life of the plant or project. Now total grant is released by 4 lakhs divided by number of years. How many years? 4 years. So per annum the grant released by the government is 1 lakh is the amount released by the government per annum. Once again, the total cost is 20 lakhs of the project. On 20 lakhs, what is the grant here? 20%. So 4 lakhs amount of total grant released by the government. On 4 lakhs, what is the estimated life of the asset here? 4 years. So total grant 4 lakhs. Estimated life of the plant is 4 years. 4 lakhs divided by 4 years per annum. 1 lakh amount of per annum released by the government. So here once again, the government grant rupees 1 lakh per annum released by the government. Have you seen this once again? Have you clear this one? We'll go to the offline classes. I will give clear content here picture about the grants now. We go for residual value. Now here, calculation of DEP. Calculation of DEP on the base of scrap value. Now, total asset cost minus residual value divided by estimated life. Now first we go for total cost here. How much? 20 lakhs minus residual value. How much? 2 lakhs. Whether you consider estimate or not, we go for next line. Once again, total asset cost minus residual value. Total 250 lakhs minus 2 lakhs. That is called scrap value here, 2 lakhs. What is the remaining balance available here? 18 lakhs. On 18 lakhs, what is the rate of DEP already provided? 10%. 10% per annum. Once again, total value of DEP equals total asset cost minus residual value. Now here total cost is 20 lakhs minus scrap value how much? 2 lakhs. What is the remaining value? 18 lakhs. What is per annum DEP here? That is provide 10%. So 18 lakhs into 10% how much? Per annum here 1,80,000 per annum DEP we need to charge. 1,80,000 DEP we need to charge per annum. How many years? The life of asset here 4 years. Now once again 1,80,000 divided by 4. 1,80,000 divided by 4. So once again check it once again. DEP total asset cost minus residual value. So 20 lakhs minus 2 lakhs. 20 lakhs minus 2 lakhs. So 18 lakhs is the amount of asset values available into 10% per annum. So total 10% of DEP, not mentioned annum here. Total DEP is 10%. So 18 lakhs in 10% here, 1,80,000 total value of DEP. On that total DEP divided by estimated life of the asset. Once again DEP here. So per annum is 4,000. So 1,80,000, 45,000 per annum of DEP we need to charge. Once I check it, DEP total asset cost minus residual value. Now Total is 20 lakhs minus 2 lakhs is the scrap value. Remaining is 18 lakhs. They are already providing the total DEP on the straight line method is 10%. So 18 lakhs into 10%, that is called 1,80,000. 1,80,000. Now this is the total DEP on property. So in this case, 1,80,000 is the total value of DEP. We need to find what is each year amount of DEP. So here, in that case, if I have once again here, estimated life of plant 4 years. So 18 lakhs divided by number of years. How many years? 4 years. Number of years here? 4 years. 1,80,000 divided by 4 years. Per annum DEP is 1,80,000 divided by 4 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 45,000 per annum of DEP. We need to charge how many years? 4 years. Once again, straight line ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ DEP ಬಂದು per annum 45, 45, 45, 45. 4 times 4 entries pass ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದು 4 years ಗೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ? End of the year. And once again, we have to pass 4 journal entries for DEP for 4 years at the end of the financial year. So this is a working note of government grant. Next class we go for journal entries of government grants. If you have any queries regarding this working note, you can give a call or you can give a message in through groups. Thank you so much.